For overseas Pakistanis, one of the best and secure investment opportunity in the beautiful city of Islamabad, lucrative location and full of natural scenes. Assalamu alaikum. Friends, hope you will be fine. First of all, I want to introduce myself. It's me, Asif Mahmood from FM State and Builders, Islamabad. We always tried to give you information of all recognized and approved societies of Rawalpindi, Islamabad, and tried to update you about current development of societies by conducting on-ground visits and always updated you about latest prices and current market scenarios. As we deal in all main societies of Islamabad like DHA, Parkview City, Capital Smart City, NMC, Bahria Town and CDA sectors of Islamabad. But particularly we cover DHA's project of Rawalpindi, Islamabad. As you know, DHA is a brand and authentic department which never disappoints its clients and people feel secure and satisfied by investing in DHA's projects. Today, I am going to tell you about Margalla Enclave Islamabad, which is a joint project of CDA and DHA. First time, these two main departments jointly launched a project and up till now, it's going in right direction. For every societies, two main things matters, developer and owner and location. In this case, developer is DHA and you all know DHA never disappoints its clients in terms of development and delivery of projects. So no question about development and timely delivery of this project. Secondly, location. Location of this project is very attractive and lucrative. My friends who know about Islamabad, they can understand it easily and others can Google it, please. If we come from Faizabad towards Serena Hotel, in middle Rawal Chowk comes, from where we turn on Park Road and about 5 to 6 kilometer, there comes Kuri Road, which is now called Jinnah Avenue. And from there, 2 to 3 kilometer away, this project's boundary starts. This project is surrounded by Botanical Garden in north, which is backed by Banigala Hills, and in west side Rawal Lake situated. And on this eastern side, it is surrounded by two beautiful societies, Bahria Enclave and Parkview City, Islamabad. And two main lakes, natural lakes, are also situated in this project. Now one road is being planned, which will lead to Serena Hotel in just 5 to 7 minutes from this project. This will boost this project very much. If we talk about the plots sizes given in the project, 125 square yards, 250 square yards and 500 square yards. And many high-rise buildings with flats are in plan. And one of the beautiful commercial is in plan like UAE pattern. Now comes about payment plan. Plots are given in lump sum payments and also on installments up to 3 years. Prices of plots are, if we talk about 125 square yards, lump sum payment 12 million, 1 year plan 12.6 million, and 2 years plan 13.2 million, 3 years plan 14 million. Likewise, 250 square yards, lump sum payment 22 million, 1 year plan 23.1 million, 2 year plan 24.4 million, and 3 year plan 26 million. And about 500 square yards, lump sum payment 42 million, 1 year plan 45 million, 2 year plan 48 million, and 3 year plan 50 million. This project was launched in January 2025 and on 24 February 2025 fair balloting was conducted, and those who got their plots, payment date was given 26 March 2025, but due to Eid days and on request of people, the payment date extended up to 12 April 2025. At this time, plots sale purchase is going in market, and for overseas clients, it is very attractive opportunity for making safest investment DH is always safest investment to get good profit in future and for making own home at this lucrative location. If we talk about the price comparison, these to other CDS sectors, these prices are very reasonable as compared to other sectors of CDA. And in future, these prices will rise very speedily. If we want to know about the prices of CDA sectors, then you can contact. I will tell you. So this is the right time to purchase the plot here. If you are interested, then you can contact on our given number. We will assist you and make it very convenient for you for making purchase of plots here and for making good decision here. I hope this video is informative for you. If you feel so, if you feel this information is good for you, then you kindly like the video and subscribe our channel so that you can get video in future. So thank you very much. If you want to get more information about this project, then you can contact on my number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.